So, students, the topic is countable and uncountable nouns. So, countable nouns. Let's start from the example. I eat a banana every day. I like bananas. A banana is a countable noun as we can put s at the end of the word. So, a countable noun can be singular banana or plural bananas. Countable nouns, they are nouns which we can count and say 1, 2, 3, 1 banana, 2 bananas. Yes, examples of countable nouns. Singular, this is apple, apples, pineapple, pineapples, cucumber, cucumbers, strawberry, strawberries, grape, grapes. Also, sometimes we can add s or es to the plural or plural form of countable nouns. So tomato, tomatoes. Pay attention. If the noun ends with o, we can add es instead of s. Potato, potatoes. But we just add s to, for example, this kind of word. Radio, radios. Photo, photos, maybe. Uncountable nouns. These are nouns which we cannot count. So I eat rice every day. I like rice. There is no any plural form of uncountable nouns. So this means that it has only one form. We cannot count. We cannot say one rice, two rices, maybe yes. And we cannot put s or es at the end of uncountable nouns. So salad, ham, water, milk can be examples for uncountable nouns. So the usage of countable and uncountable nouns with the expression of there is, there are. So we can use the word some after there is and both there is and there are. For example, there is some meat, cheese, and pay attention, if the word is uncountable, we have to use is form of to be. So there is some meat and cheese, and there are some rulers and pencils. This means that we can use the word some both with countable and uncountable nouns, both in singular and plural forms. So there is some we use with uncountable, yes. There are some we use with countable and plural forms. So the word any is used in negative forms. So there isn't any milk and there aren't any dishes. So this means that the one and the same way of usage of the word any with the some. So there isn't, we can use any with both with countable and uncountable and both with singular and plural forms of nouns. So milk, coffee is uncountable, dishes, watches is countable. There isn't any is used when the word is uncountable, so this means that it is in singular form. The aren't any is used in plural forms. So there is also a quiz. Let's see it and let's do it together. John is eating some potatoes because potato is countable and some is used with plural forms of countables. That's why we have to put es here because the word ends with o. Is there any water in the jar? We cannot say waters because the water is uncountable, and this means that we cannot put any s after the uncountable noun. And any is used in question and negative forms. So there isn't sugar in the coffee. We have to put any here because any is used in negative and question forms of the sentences. Thank you for attention.